Damn, boy, I look like a mess. All right, so here goes this damn door. Oh, shit. All right, let's see. I'm not even sure if you guys could hear me. Give me 1 second. Just waiting for everyone to get on board. Let me text everyone. Okay, cool. You guys can hear me. That's good. All right, awesome. Give me 1 second. I look rough. I look really rough. All right, cool. All right, so all right, like I said, I'm only gonna break down gold. If you guys do have a request, I don't mind doing it. I'm not gonna spend too long on. I'm not going to spend too long on this. All right, because the market is very slow, especially on a Sunday. So I already went and did a couple of things. So as you guys can see, this is the 4 hour chart. Hold on. Some people told me that there's some of them are gonna be late. Oh well. These are being recorded, so it doesn't matter. All right, let's see here. Let's check this out. So for the last couple weeks, gold has been definitely showing off, making, new higher highs. Um, just for everyone that don't understand this, CHOCH, of course, stands for change of character, and this is break of structure for the ones that don't know. All right. All right. So the way I usually do it is I start off with the 1 day just to see what's going on, type of movement gold got going on, of course, and clearly it's still in a uptrend. So we're just gonna keep going little by little. So now we're on the 4 hour. And like I said, I'm gonna fly through this. If you guys have any questions, by all means, let me know. All right. So you have your break of structure over here. I already, started doing all this extra stuff. Another break of structure, change of character, which is very important. Of course, go to here. Let's make this more interesting. Let's do 1 hour. A lot better. All right. So, of course, up here, gold is, the highest it's ever been. Comes down, goes back up, and then around here we get the sell signal, right? Now, of course, we don't blindly, just we're not going to blindly sell. So what I'm going to do is wait for a retest, and of course, the retest would happen over here. So me personally, with the breaker structure, what I would do is what I'm going to do. All right, what's wrong with my mouse? What is this? All right, let's get rid of that. All right, so like I said, with the breaker change of character, to me, it just means that the momentum of gold, let's use this, the momentum of gold going up is over. So gold is either looking to reverse to the downtrend or it's coming to just retest down here somewhere. So we would probably say, let's say, probably, okay. All right. So all these areas that I am picking, I'm only picking them because they're areas that's been tested the most. So for example, gold came up here, went down, came up here, tried to break this area, but it came down again, did it again, came down, went up, down again in the same area, and then guess what? Went back up. Of course, it played around here and went back up. So that's how I get my very strong key levels. All right, hold on real quick. All right, so another one would be, all right, another one would be right over here. Same thing. All of my key areas are just areas that's been touched by the market multiple times. That's how I usually do my price actions. So, like I said, all of my key areas is because the market touched it multiple times. So as you guys can see, the market touched here, here, and of course broke it, came right back to that area. Thought it would have passed it, came up. So as you guys can see, key areas. All right. So now, like I said, I'm just this is just some basic, breaking down gold. All right, nothing crazy, no trend lines, nothing crazy. All right. Give me 1 second. Who's texting me? All right, so all right, let's do this. All right, I can see my phone if anyone texts. And if yeah, I was gonna say if you guys want, you guys can text on the group chat. You guys do not have to text my phone because I see a lot of people's texting my phone. Oh, come on, damn it. Whatever. Get here. All right, so now another thing is what we could do. Actually, we can we can actually have a nice trend line. We could probably put it around here. All right. Now, of course, it's not a very strong trend line, but for me, this is where I would put it. A lot of you guys would probably make it, probably this thin, but I like to see I like to see the market touch areas multiple times. That for me indicates is a very strong area. All right. So we are on the 1 hour. So of course, break of structure, change of character. The market is looking for a reversal. So now I did send out a trade last week, Friday, where the market was supposed to be a sell over here. Whereas I think it was uh, I think it was a sell around here, but it didn't touch it. So it was no, actually, I'm sorry. It was a sell around here, but the market came up and missed our entry area. So of course the market came up. So now let's go into 15 minutes. All right, as you guys can see, all the areas that we marked are being respected, come through, respect, right here, respect. Of course, it's touching here, came back, another respect, of course. So now what I'm looking for, of course, they gave us a buy here. Well, the algorithm gave us a buy here, but what I'm looking for is a retest area. Now, the retest area can happen here where the market could do this. All right. All this is just possible ideas. All right. So this is one of the ways the market could do. But like I said, we're not looking for that. All right. If we go into 3 hour, I just want to check the 3 hour out. All right. Maybe the 4 hour. I'm going to show you guys in a second what I'm looking for. Okay. 2 hour. Okay. This is what I'm looking for. There it is. So on the 2 hour, we got to sell. All right. Now, I don't blindly trade just the algorithm. I trade, of course, every key level, every freaking trend line, everything, have to just line up for it to be a real proper signal. So, for example, we get a sell signal, of course, the market starts going down, and of course, it's coming back up. Now, a lot of you guys might think, well, if it's a sell signal, why is the market coming up? Retest. All right. Retest is very important. All right. So from my retest, I'm simply already going to be looking. And I did put in the group chat that, for you guys to sell gold. Um, I was up. I was up like a whole thousand, just like early, like what, the first 5 minutes of uh of the market open. But of course, it's coming back up. Now, of course, would I put my stop loss? Now, if you guys are trading with a small account, by all means, use proper lot size. Don't overdo it. Uh, Entry level would probably be like, honestly, let's see here. Sell areas would be throughout this area right here. Yeah. So this area that I'm marking, hold on real quick. I'm gonna change the color. So I'm gonna change the color so we can actually, see it better. Pretty sure you guys could see that. Oh, let's change the color, change the color. All right, cool. That green area, that green box is sell areas. All right. So the market will eventually, this is a retest area. This whole area is a retest area. As you guys can see, market came down, retest, it's gonna come right back down. All right. Come on, stay. Now, if the market doesn't do that, it doesn't go in our favor. It's just gonna continue going up to retest this area. Okay. And then might play around here a little, retest it again multiple times, like I was telling you guys, and do that. Now, another thing that it could do, it could just, or I could just be wrong, comes back up here to create a higher high. Gold has been surprising us with these higher highs, but like I said, I mean, the I respect the strategy, break a structure. So now let's go check out the other. Let's go check out my other chart that I was already playing with. All right. Now my chart, excuse me. Now my chart does look a little confusing. Try to keep up. If you have any questions, please let me know. All right. But as you guys can see, this is the trade I'm in right now. Currently, let's get rid of this. Goodbye. But as you guys can see, this is the exact same way that I broke down the last chart I was on. All right. You have this is 1 minute. Let's go on the 1 hour. And on top of that, look at that. The gold sell. So of course it's coming for a retest. All right. Now, like I said, it could come for a retest right over here. Come for a retest right over here. And then work his way down. I am in a trade. I did put a 5 lot size, so you guys could do the math. 5 lot size. If I do lose, I lose about like 4,000. But if the trade goes our way, you're looking at a good 10,000 day or $10,000 week, depending on how slow the market is this week. But I think it's going to be a very good week. And on top of that, look, where's the 200 EMA? So right now the market, well, where trading is right here. So it just went over the 200 EMA over the weekend. As you guys can see, that gap right here. That's what over the weekend looks like. Freaking annoying. That's why I don't hold trades over the weekend, because you can't really, know where the hell the market's gonna go. And this was the trade I sent out last weekend. I predicted it was gonna come in here and then drop. All right, and it did exactly what I wanted it to do, but it did not hit our sell area. But that's all right, because we got in this one. Well, I got in this one. I mean, this one I never sent out to the signal room, because also you guys got to keep in mind, oh, that's what's up. I just read your thing, man. I'm happy you made 300 with me. For real, for real. I appreciate that. That's what's up. But yeah, I didn't send this one out because it was like 4:40 on a Friday. The market closed at 5, so I was like, I'm not gonna send it out. But I did make some good money off this one. I took profit early, but it went flying. Like, it was just beautiful. And I mean, of course, it's still going. But let's see here. All right, so this is what I'm a little afraid of. This buy signal. If this buy signal actually goes good, as you guys can see, TP1 is right next to my stop loss. TP2 is right next to, well, it's surpassed my stop loss. So I'm hoping this is a very good, strong area where it's like, oh, nope, go down. And another thing is the market is over the 200 EMA. But like I said, the market is looking for a reversal. So I'm hoping that it does come back under the 200 EMA. But for right now, I'm looking for sells only this week so far, especially the fact that if you look on the only reason why I'm looking for sells until I get a buy signal, I'm not looking for buys. I'm looking for sells. Look at this. Look at this beautiful sell. So all this is like key levels for reverse area, reverse area. This is a reverse area, so I'm not worried. All right, I'm definitely not worried. And hold on real quick. And another thing is, you guys always try to, if you guys have a strategy that works for you guys to be profitable, just follow your strategy and respect the process. All right, so that's me with gold. Like I said, I'm not gonna spend too long on it. I just want to show you guys how I get my key areas, and why, and my process of things. So if you guys have any questions on that, let me know. But I did get a request for USD CAD, so let's hop on that. Let's hop on that. All right, so this is one of my favorite pairs, because when it trends, it trends. So there's USD CAD over here. All right, so give me 1 second. Uh, all right, all right. So, of course, like I said, we're gonna start off on the 1 day just to see the overall trend. All right, so look at this beautiful buy signal. So we're not looking at that. We're gonna look over here. So right now, all you guys can see is a sell signal. So we're on a downtrend, clearly. All right, just to be safe, look at that good area right here. Boom, bring it all the way across. Look exactly what happened. All right, same. And look, if we bring this all the way over here, look at that. All right. The one thing I can say, the market will always respect key areas. All right. It will always respect key areas. Touch, touch, break, touch, break, touch, down. Like it's using it as support, and then now it's using it as resistant. Now it comes back to use it as support again. Support, support. Now, guess what it's going to do? You get a sell signal, the market's under that area, it's going to use it as resistant. So you can easily see that retracement where this could have been a nice a nice sell. Where it's like, okay, boom, it broke it. Now what? It's gonna come back, it's going to retest. Boom. All right, so we could be safe, we're gonna put this here for now. All right. Only reason why I'm putting it here is because once again, key area. Touch, touch, touch went up, came back, touch went up, and then the touch, and now it's moving up. So that's just the 1 day. So let's go into 4 hour. And look at that. That touch became a buy right here. So look at that. So key area, touch, 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 touch right here. All key areas. That's all we're looking for. Key areas. Let's go to 15 minutes real quick. I'm just gonna make this a really quick one. Ignore my crazy son. All right, boom, there it goes. Bam, touch, 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 boom, boom, break. So now on a trade like this, honestly, I'm looking for that for a retrace down here and then probably go back up. That's just an idea, not a signal. All right. So what I want to do is go on a 5 minute. And yes, I break down all the way to the 5 minute. I'm a scalp trader. So once I break down to 5 minute, I go straight to the one and follow my algorithm. All right. So here's another beautiful key area on the 5 minute. There we go. As you guys can see, it touched it, touched it, touched it, touched it, boom. So it's a very good key area. And then look, touched it right there, use it as resistant area, boom, down. All right. And like I said, this could have been a good trade. Look at this. Wrong one. Sorry. This could have been a great trade. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I always get these confused. All right. So look at that. Boom. And then bring it down here. Now, only reason why this could have been a great trade because there's a key area, touched it multiple times. The market broke it. So now in order for you to enter a sell, you wait for the retest, boom. And then you get in, you put your stop loss, just above it a little so you could give it some breathing space. All right. And then boom, it would have hit your TP. All right, just like that. So that was a great trade. All right, so over here is gonna be the same thing, right? You get the buy, market comes up, break this area, touched it multiple times, touch, break, touch, 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 broke it. So now we're looking for the same thing, boom, boom, boom. So if I was to make this a signal, it would be something like this. You could probably say this would be TP1 and this would be TP2. So only reason why this would be TP1 is because of this key area. It touched it multiple times. So if think about it, you don't really know if if USD CAD is going to break it. So you can make this TP1 and then you can go ahead and make this TP2. All right. So now looking at you're looking at this. Retest, take profit 1. And then probably like a little drawdown to like, let's just say a little drawdown to here. Come up here, play a little around this area because this is a key level, but it's gonna break it, retest, TP2. Boom. All right. So that's how I would read this. All right. And go from there. But if you go on this, as you can see, that's one thing I do like about USD CAD. When it trends for a very long time. So that's that. I don't know if you guys have any questions, but this was the only request I got. And like I said, I'm just doing this. And moving forward, we're probably gonna stick on YouTube because Kick lags very hard. All right. So we're gonna stick with YouTube. YouTube seems like it's doing its thing. All right. And like I said, if you guys know anyone that want to day trade or even want to learn, send them to the group chat. Let's try to grow the group chat together. And I am gonna start doing, giveaways again. Um, and I'm trying to stay away from the prop firms, but if you guys do have challenges, I don't mind helping you guys out, but I am trying to stay away from prop firms now. They sound good, but I'm starting to realize that they're just out to get your money. All right. And I'm not saying I'm giving up hope on prop firms at all. I'm just saying stay away from it. All right. So let's go back on gold and see what gold is doing. And I did tell a lot of you guys to sell gold already. I know one of our rules is don't trade on a Sunday, but this is a good opportunity. So I'm gonna take it. This is gold, right? Yeah. All right, good. Let's go back on the other gold because this just sucks. All right, cool. So yeah. So as you can see, gold is in a selling area. All right. So now we just wait. But if you guys like, honestly, you can sell gold. This is a very good selling area. So we'll see what happens. This is going to be an overnight trade. So trade safe. All right. And if you don't trade on Sundays, just respect the fact that you don't trade on Sundays. I need to start doing that because I would tell myself I don't trade on Sundays. All right. So if you guys have any questions, like I said, hold on. If you guys have any questions, by all means, just text me, email me, whatever y'all want. I don't see a head and shoulder pattern. I mean, unless I'm tripping. Oh, okay, wait, maybe I'm not. Let's see. Are you talking about like something like this? Ah, crap. This should just stop. All right, so yeah, I don't see a head and shoulder pattern. I mean, if it does come up here a little more and then come back down, I mean, I guess you could consider it a head and shoulder pattern. Let's see. Would Yeah, so it'd be something like that. Yeah. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Okay. So yeah, see, there you go. Let's change the color to, let's just say white. Okay, so yeah, of course this could be definitely a head and shoulder pattern. Good call, my guy. So yeah. Neckline right here breaks. Once the neckline, this is the neckline right here. Yeah, this would be the neckline. And then once it breaks it, boom, boom, go all the way down. So yeah, definitely couldn't be forming a And if it is forming a head and shoulder pattern, this might be a very long 2-3 day trade, because for it to be official, it's probably gonna have to work its way up a little more over here, which is not bad. There's still a good area, and then drop. So like I said, and if you want to grow a very small account, play with 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, and wait for the profit to actually wait for the profit to build up for you to use a bigger lot size. All right. So by all means, hit me up. Deuces. Now, granted, this is my first time doing live. I don't even know how to get off this. All right. I really don't. All right. Good shit. Am I off? I don't even know if I'm off this, honestly. It's still counting, right? Oh wait, I'm still on, I think. See that? I'm such an old man. This is weird. What the fuck? I'm still on this, aren't I? Yeah, I'm still on this. That's crazy. See, I'm such an old ass man. I don't even know what to do. I'm about to just like bomb. Yeah, I'm about to just remove the whole page. No, 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 I can't remove the whole page, man. Edit. See, look, now I'm too old for real. I'm embarrassed as hell. That was it 5 days later. Yo, I bet. I'm gonna figure this out. Oh, bomb. Deuces.